So, good morning ma'am. My name is Gabriel Dominic Peltiber. So, for today, I'll be showing you my PVT. So, first of all, we have the lights and we have the potentiometer. And here we have the resistor. So there are 9 resistors as you can see. Then we have the LED lights. Then for the second wire is the E0. So it can read the voltage on the current of the light. So the first wire is for the board, which is 5 voltage here as you can see. So as you can see ma'am, kining mga wire mo niyang nagpasiga sa mga suga. Siya.